Hello guys, welcome to the Altruist IELTS. I am Janvi and today we are going to learn new vocab or as known as lexical resources related to crime and law. It is the episode number 7 and in the previous video we have covered 3 words. The first word was comply. If someone or something complies with an order or set of rules, they are in accordance with what is required or expected. The second word was segregate. It is a verb, and to segregate two groups of people or things means to keep them physically apart from each other. The third word was invade. It is a verb, and to invade a country means to enter it by force with an army. Now let's look at our first word of this video. It is encroach. It is a verb, and if one thing encroaches on another, the first thing spreads or becomes stronger and slowly begins to restrict the power, range or effectiveness of the second thing. If something encroaches on a place, it spreads and takes over more and more of that place. And I don't think so there are direct synonyms of this word. Now let's look at the example of this word. I knew that unless work encroached upon my family time, no work could get done. The second example could be I turned into the dirt road and followed it through encroaching trees and bushes. Now let's look at the collocations related to word encroach. Encroach on, encroach upon. Now this third person singular present tense form of encroach is encroaches. V4 or present participle form of encroach is encroaching, like it is encroaching or something like that. And the past tense and past participle form of encroach is encroached with ed. Now let's look at the second word, rampage. It is a verb, and when people or animals rampage through a place, they rush about there in a wild or violent way, causing damage or destruction. The synonyms could be go berserk, tear, storm, rage. Now let's look at the example of this word. He used a sword to try to defend his shop from a rampaging mob. The collocations related to this word could be on rampage, rampage through. Now let's look at the third person singular present tense form of this word. It is rampages. The V4 form of rampage is rampaging, and rampaged is past tense and past participle form of rampage. Now let's look at the last word of this video. It's intervene. It is a verb, and if you intervene in a situation, you become involved in it and try to change it. It is mainly used in a government sector, or as the series suggests, in a crime and in a law department. And let's look at the synonyms of this word. Interfere, mediate, intrude and interrupt. The example could be the situation calmed down when police intervened. Now the collocations: government intervene, court intervene, intervene in. And the third person singular present tense is intervenes. V4 form of intervene is intervening, and past tense and past participle V2 and V3 form of intervene is with ed, intervened. In the next video we will cover these words: prey, suppress, stifle. and many more. Until then, enjoy and learn new words. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.